Welcome to the City of Penticton's online recreation booking system. Today, we are going to walk through a tutorial on how to register online for programs. Our example today focuses on how to register for a spot in the leisure pool, but the steps to achieve this can be applied to any other activity, such as the fitness room and public skating. To get started, please visit penticton.ca and navigate to the Return to Recreation webpage. You can also directly get to this page by typing penticton.ca/restartrec. Once on this page, click the Book a Time Slot and Register button located on the left-hand side. The website will redirect you to our online booking system. Here you will see all programs that are available for registration, organized by program age or type of activity, such as aquatics. In our example, we want to book a time slot for the leisure pool. Click Pool under Activity Reservations. Next, choose a date and time. Then click on Book Now on the right-hand side. Please note that Penticton residents can book up to 48 hours in advance of a program start time. 36 hours in advance for non-residents. It's important to note that the Book Now button will only show when the time slot is available for reservations. Future time slots for activities are also listed. If the button indicates More Info, the time slot is not yet open for reservations. You will then be taken to a page showing a more in-depth look at the session you've chosen. Click on the Book Now button located on the top right-hand side to continue. You will be brought to a login screen in order to move on to the next step. Fill out the bubbles with your email and password, then click Log In. If you do not already have an account, click on the Create an Account link. Forgot your password? No problem. Reset your password to your account by choosing the Forgot Your Password link. Once you're logged in, you will see another booking screen. This time you are being asked to choose the names of users you want to reserve for this time slot. Once chosen, click the Next button on the bottom right-hand side of your screen to continue. You will be required to review the COVID-19 Code of Conduct Agreement. Please ensure that you read through carefully and check the box that reads, "Yes, I agree to the Code of Conduct." Click on the Next button on the bottom right-hand side to continue. This page gives you the option to select optional extras to your booking. If none are required, click the Next button on the bottom right-hand side of your screen. This screen shows your account summary. We can see that we have chosen a leisure pool reservation for September 20th at 4:30 p.m. for Samantha. Give the summary a read over to make sure that the information is correct. Click on the Checkout button to continue. The next step before securing your time slot is to complete your payment transaction. If you already have a credit card saved on your account, choose the circle next to your card. If you haven't added a card yet, click the circle next to Add a New Card to enter your credit card details. The last step is to select the Place My Order button underneath the credit card details. It's important to note that if you enter your new credit card information on this screen, the credentials will not automatically be saved unless you select the option to save your credit card information. That's it! You've made it to the final screen. You can select Print Registration Confirmation, Print Receipt, or Book Another Event. We look forward to your visit to the Penticton Community Centre. Explore more recreation options on penticton.ca/recreation. And thanks for watching.